The new Foxwell GT90 scan tool is changing the way car repairs are handled in the workshop. Through hardware and software upgrades, technical staff can now approach problems with greater speed and accuracy and produce comprehensive, professional reports.
It's impressive. 12-inch screen, robust. It's a sensible choice of tool for a modern workshop.
Foxwell GT90 is user-friendly. It has a powerful Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module that functions even in the tough automotive workshop environment. And the IP65 waterproof and dustproof rating prolongs the working life of the tool. The GT90 has a one-touch vehicle identification, Click Auto VIN, and you can remotely read the vehicle information fast.
We find that the GT90 solves 80 to 90% of the problems that we tackle with it.
The GT90 has clear, easy-to-use basic and maintenance functions. Reprogramming replacement parts can be performed in a few simple steps. Testing actuation functions can be performed remotely via Bluetooth. However, GT90 offers more. Connect an oscilloscope or a videoscope to GT90, and it becomes a powerful integrated diagnostic solution.
It's very valuable to me that Foxwell offers me 3 years of free updates on the GT90.
Foxwell's engineers often carry out testing in Europe, America, and Australia, and update GT90 coverage models every week. If a problem is encountered with a tool that is not listed, upload the bug and the problem via the GT90's debug log collection. And the Foxwell technical team will update the most appropriate solution in the shortest possible time for vehicles or systems.
My business is growing, and I need stronger, simpler solutions.
At Foxwell, we strive to create more powerful, more convenient scan tools to help professionals and workshops lower operation costs and increase productivity. We make smarter tools, and you make the smartest choice.